I have these electrical panel doors and they have these cuts, so I'm gonna use them as window for the container, and I'm gonna set them like this so the rainwater will slide on them and it won't get inside. And I'm gonna build a frame from some 2x2 angles. These measure 20 inches by 26.5. I welded it all the way, except at the bottom I just tacked it. So if there is any moisture built inside, or if there is a water leak, it will come down from here to the outside. And I clean all the surfaces so it will fit perfectly on the container. I hold the window over here. I went 40 inches to this surface, and I put mark over here, and then I held the window level, and I took a marker and I marked the inside, and then I took the window out, and then I made sure the marker straight, and I double check it and level, and then I cut it with the grinder, and then the window fit perfectly. I installed the window, I welded over here on the corner. This and this, they were both to the outside. I took an angle and I tried to push this surface in. It came in a little bit but didn't go all the way, so what I did, I took this angle and I welded it like this. I just spot welded it over here, and then I used it like lever, so that brought this wall in, and I was able to weld it. And then I did same thing over here. I have to cut this angle, and then I went ahead and made sure to weld it all the way, about half-inch passes. Two windows down, two to go. I only have enough material to build 4 windows. And they came out real nice. I could feel the air circulate inside the container right now. If it's not enough, I'll try it in the summer when it gets hot. If it doesn't circulate the air nice, I probably will do similar to what they have originally on the container. They have 9 holes on each corner in one of these ribs, and then they put guard from the outside to prevent rainwater to get inside. I may do that throughout the wall of the container, but I'll see. I'll try and see. If this does a good job, then I'll leave it alone. I don't want to add unnecessary hole to the wall of this container. I could feel the air circulate right now. It's better than before. Even the sound, it sounds different right now after I have these windows, and I'm satisfied with it. I'm going to prime it from the outside and from the inside, and then I will spray foam it over here to prevent rainwater from getting inside, and I'll probably get some silicone and silicone the outside to add an extra measure to prevent rainwater from getting inside. I'm also thinking about bringing mesh and build a frame for the mesh to prevent insect like dirt dauber or wasp from getting inside and nest inside. I'm happy with it. It's come out real nice. This is the original ventilation. It's about 3/8 hole, 9 of them, and it's guarded from the outside to prevent water from getting in. However, it does very poor ventilation. These windows or the shape of this panel will prevent water from getting inside, but it allows a lot of wind or air to circulate inside the container, and that prevent moisture from building on the wall of the container.